Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Alessandro and today we're going to be building the Lego Ninjago City Gardens. It is for 14 plus and it has 5,685 pieces. And I'm going to be building and reviewing and unboxing this today in all one video. And these are the characters. Young Lloyd, Scoop, the mechanic, Cece, Eileen, Ty, Canyu, me, Wu Legacy, Christina, Zane, Kai, Tito, Urban, Cole, Roni, Misako, Coach Powers, Urban Mia, Urban J. Okay, so let's get into unboxing. Oh, there's another box in here. A box inside a box. Okay. These are some pieces. Let's open this box. Oh. There are two base plates, a half one and a full one. And then the instructions, and it comes with 3 sticker sheets, a fan-made poster, instruction book 1, 2, and 3. So there's 26 bags in total. So let's get to the build. So guys, this is the final piece. I really like it. It's my favorite set and it's one of the most colorful sets I have. And we'll review it and let's start with the top. So the first we have a ninja changing room. It's a secret room. And then after that we have this gaming room. I really like it. And then look, if you guys pull out this blue thing, you can like play it. Like that. Okay, and then next is this. Which is a skylight from the Ninjago Museum. It has like a skeleton of a dinosaur. And then here we have the yoga room. And then the ninja's catching the bad guy that stole the jewelry. And then after that we have the actual museum itself. And then right here there's like a display right there. Right there, you can barely see it. And then right here we have like the cashier area where you come in. Right there. And then right here you have an artist's room right here. Let me move it. Right there. And then my favorite part is this ice cream shop. It's really detailed. And then after that is this noodle shop. Take it off and come out like that. Okay. And here's the fans room. I like the sheets. It's really detailed. And then here's like a tea room. And then I think this is like a little restaurant, like a mini restaurant. And then it's this last one. It's like an antique shop kind of. And then this is a like little temple. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell to get notified when I post another video. And that's it for today. See you guys later. Bye.